Hey guys, it's Mr. Ganley. It's Friday, so I'm not live with you. I'll be back on Monday with you live for new activities. Today, I really needed you guys to designate an area where you can work out, figure out where that's going to be in your house, or in your garage, or in your room, wherever it's at. Figure out where that's going to be. Have that ready for Monday so we're ready for do some more stuff. Okay? Here are your directions for today. Here's how you're going to navigate on your updates page where you're currently at in Schoology. You're going to scroll up. You're going to click on Materials, and then you'll scroll back down. Now that you're in Materials, you can see I've got one folder published today. It's about responsible personal and social behavior. Go ahead, click on that yellow folder. And then within that folder, there are different learning sets. Today we're going to work on learning set 6, which deals with safety. Click on Safety. Here you're going to have 3 different folders to click into. Obviously you're going to start in the red folder for getting started. You'll click in there. And there you have a couple warm-ups and instant activities to get going with. When finished with those warm-ups, you can click back out. Click in the Learn About and Practice. There you'll have activities as well. A safety dance and a different activity. You'll complete those activities. When finished, you go back out to your final folder, show what you know, where it's green. And then you do a self-assessment. That is your final activity for today. On Monday, we'll come back with new activities and more to do. So work hard, have fun, and we'll see you soon.